Hello, today we are solving a big problem, notification overload. I'm using the Galaxy S22 Ultra to demonstrate, but if you use Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus or iPhone, keep watching because I'll show you exactly how to do it on your device too. Trust me, after today, your phone will only buzz for things that actually matter. Let's jump right in. So here I'll be demonstrating on Galaxy S22 Ultra. It also works for Samsung, all Samsungs, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, all the Androids. So you go to settings, you can either go to the settings app or you go here settings and you tap on notifications and you select app notifications, or either it's app notifications or manage app notification depending on your brand, and you choose the app you want to customize. Example, WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail. So I will select WhatsApp. You tap it and you will see different notification categories like message notification, group notification, promotion, and etc. But I don't see it here. So what I'll do is I'll go back to notification settings here and I'll go to advanced settings, and from here I can toggle this on to manage notification category for each app. I toggle it on, and now when I go back to app notification and I'll select the WhatsApp again, I select WhatsApp. Now I will see the notification category. Now from here I can toggle on or off the specific category you want to keep or mute. For your chats, you can allow all notification. For group chats, if you don't want to be receiving notification for group chats, you can turn it on or off here. Or message notification, or sometimes you know how we will tell you chat history backup. It gives you notification your whatever is being backed up or critical. So if you think you don't want to be receiving such notifications, this is where you go to disable them or turn them on depending on your preference. So for example, you can keep only important messages on and turn off all promo spam from shopping apps. An alternative for iPhone users, you go to settings, you tap on notifications, you scroll down and select the app. Under alerts, you can customize where notifications appear, like lock screen or banners and so on. And you tap notification settings within the app if available. Some apps like WhatsApp allow fine-tuning inside their settings too. So on iPhone, even though it's not called categories, you can still control exactly how and where app alerts show up. And that's it. Now your phone only bothers you with what really matters. Whether you're on Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, and all of that, you now know exactly how to customize notifications for specific apps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more practical tips to make your phone work smarter for you. See you in the next one.